Crowd1 is a scam, and in this video I'm going to show you why it's a complete scam. So if you know you're looking forward to investing in this company and maybe you want to join but you're looking for information that will help you to take an educated decision, then you're in the right video, because that's all I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to show you how they are scamming people, how they are wasting people's time and money. So stay tuned for more details. And in case it's your first time on this channel, I'm very happy to welcome you to my YouTube family. My name is Armstrong Wil, and I make videos on ways to make money online and self-development videos as well. So consider to join the family by subscribing to this channel. And without wasting time, let's just start this video right now. Before I go ahead and show you guys why it's a complete scam, why Crowd1 is a complete scam, let me go ahead and give you a short explanation for those who don't know what Crowd1 is and what it works. But I assume that most of the people who are going to check this review are people who already know how it works, who have already collected information on this platform, because I have disabled the notification that goes to my subscribers. Those who are watching it are the ones who just scrolled and have seen it on the channel, or those who have searched in the search engines like Google or Bing or Yahoo and then found the review. So I assume that you already have some information about how Crowd1 works and all that. So in short, Crowd1 is a company that collects some money, that's fund money, and then invest in some gaming websites, and then you just get some profit, some earnings, and it's all about that. It offers members the ability to create and maintain an online network business using different digital marketing platforms. And according to their official website, you can earn endless money through that. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why they are wrong, why everything they've mentioned on their website worth questioning, guys. So here is their official website, guys. It's Crowd1. As you can see here, they explain how it works, but they are not really clear on how they generate the money they pay people. They are not clear on that. But let me remind you that to have 4 options as membership, guys. You can join as a white member with 99 euro, or you can join as a black member with 299 euro, or a gold member with 799 euro or 2499 euro. So it's up to you to choose the package you want to join with. And they claim that they are going to invest that money in the gaming platforms, and that's how you're going to benefit from this platform, guys, because you're going to bring a lot of people into this platform, and then the money is going to be multiplied through the gaming platforms, and then that's how you're going to be earning money according to what they say. And I have personally joined as a free member, but I haven't paid anything because I came to realize that it's a scam, guys. And just check the email they sent me. As you can see here, after creating an account with this platform, they sent me an email. As you can see here, guys, they're just welcoming me to the platform. And then after that, here they are just explaining to me how it works and how the money is going to be generated. As you can see here, they say, together with our partners Afilgo and Mixstar, take the steps into the world's largest entertainment industry. As you can see here, they are just explaining that they have partnered with these 2 platforms, gaming platforms, and then that's how they are going to generate the money. But it's wrong, guys. Let me just show you something. The first thing I came to realize that the 2 platforms that they are saying that they have partnered with them, they are owned by the owner of this Crowd1. Let me show you why. This platform is called Smart Advisor. It's a platform that can easily show you information about any platform, about any website on the internet, like the age of the domain name, the owner of the website, the location of the website. You can get such information for any website on the internet through this platform. So I have taken this link for the Crowd1, and then I pasted it here. You can even do it yourself if you want to. You just need to go to scamadvisor.com and you can just check for yourself if you're skeptical. And then I've pasted it here. As you can see see this is crowd1.com, and let me show you the owner of this platform. I just want to show you that the owner of this platform is the same owner of the two gaming platforms that they are saying that they have partnered with them, because they are claiming that there are different platforms, gaming platforms, that they have decided to partner together so that they can just invest the money they are collecting from people, right? But it's wrong. It's just a fishy website they've created to just lie to people. They are not investing the money anywhere. As you can see here, guys, you can see that it's crowd1.com. Let me just scroll down and show you the owner of this platform, guys. As you can see here, here is the owner. See, registration Crowd1 Network Europe Limited, and the owner is Piscopianos Stelios. You're going to see that the same name is on the other two platforms, guys. You see, here is the second platform, afilgo.com, that they are claiming to be the partner of them. You see, afilgo.com. Let me scroll down. See, the owner is the same, Piscopianos Stelios. It's the same name. Okay, let me go to the third one. You see, mixstar.com. See, let me just scroll down. You'll see that it's the same guy who owns all the three websites. You see the name, owner of the website, Piscopianos Stelios, same company, Crowd1 Network Europe Limited, which means all the three websites are owned by this guy. So they are saying that they are investing the money into two different gaming platforms, but they are not putting money anywhere. They are just in the same circle of people. And let me show you the two websites they are talking about. They are not even active, guys. Let me just show you. Here is the platform, but the platform is not really active. As you can see here, they have just built this site, but it's not active. No one is participating in the gaming because they haven't been launched yet. You can see here they are saying available gaming types. These are some of our gaming that will be available through our partner. That will be, which means for now they are not active yet, but yet they are saying that they are investing the money into these platforms. And the second one is mixstar.com. This one is completely rubbish because there is no page. See, there is no button. It's just a crappy landing page here with no post on it. You see, so it's not working at all, as you can see. And yet they are stating that the money is being invested in these gaming platforms, but there is nothing here, as I've already showed you, which means they are just collecting money from people, guys. They can refund you if you bring two people, but this is another red flag, because if it was a legitimate platform, they could be able to give out money. If you want to withdraw your money, you could withdraw easily. But for them, they cannot give you the money until you bring at least two people. That's when they can give you the money. But if you're not able to convince people to pay the money as you did, you won't get any money. They'll just tell you that the money is in the share. You have the share worth 100 euro, but there is no guarantee on the shares. I have came to an article that was stating that last year, when this company got started, they have said that the pre-launch is going to be in August. That's when people are going to withdraw all their shares. They will be able to sell their shares and withdraw the money in hard cash in August 2019. But when it was time to do the pre-launch, they have changed. Now it's going to happen in November, actually. So we don't know if they are not going to shift the pre-launch to another later date. So it's not a serious thing that I can recommend to somebody. You can obviously join. It's your money. You can join if you want to, but I wouldn't recommend anybody to just invest your money in something that it's not as serious as it should be. And also another thing is that this company, even if you join, if the people you bring in, if they are not willing to invest money, or maybe they are not bringing other people, you won't get people in your downline, so you won't earn any money, so your efforts are not valuable. You're only going to be successful if the people under you are paying money, are buying the membership fees, which means those who joined before when these things started, they have obviously earned some money. Or other people who have obviously earned money from these are people with big followings. Let's say, for example, you have a big following on Instagram, or you have a lot of people, you have a YouTube channel and you have a lot of people who follows you, so, or you have a big email list. Those kinds of people can make a lot of money, because if you just share that thing with them, they can just go ahead and sign up and pay whatever. But the problem is, those who have audiences, they cannot do that. They cannot recommend people to things who are not sure, the scams. They cannot do that. That's the problem, because there is a lot of things to do online. There is a lot of opportunities, legitimate opportunities. So I don't think there is someone who can just recommend a fishy thing, Ponzi, to his own audience that he treasures so much. Another thing, guys, I have seen somewhere in their privacy policy where they say that there is no guarantee that you're going to earn any money from these things, guys. Let me just show you. Here is their privacy policy, guys. As you can see, this is Crowd1. Here is their privacy policy. If you read here, you can see that they say that there is no guarantee you're going to earn any money. You see here, I hope you can read here. They say there is absolutely no guarantee that you earn money or make profits, and your ownership rights may lose all their value. You see, which means they're the ones who decide the value of the share. They may decide, for now, the share is almost $2, €2, one share. So they may decide that the share is on like 2 cents. So who knows, if they say the share is on 2 cents, which means even if you have thousands of shares, you end up losing your money. So I don't think this is a serious deal, guys. And I have seen a lot of people complaining all over the internet, on YouTube, on different websites, on Google. Let me just show you some of them, guys, that have been complaining that they haven't been able to see any success from these guys. Like this one is a post that have been written by someone who is called Frank, and some other people have left a comment. Yes. Like this one is saying, how does one communicate with crowd on a one-on-one basis? Their platform is not interactive, which means people are not being able to even follow up with their money. So because a platform like this, if it was a legitimate thing, guys, there should be something like a live chat, so that people can interact with them, so that they can talk to their clients or something. But here you just throw your money. If you sign up here, see, if you sign up here, the next thing you will see is these packages to pay money. See, after paying the packages, they will just show you the next link to buy the second package, and so and so. So there is nothing, there is no interaction. You see that people are complaining, as like this one is saying. See, he's saying that the platform is not interactive. There is no one to ask. They only have an email here, but I have tried to send them an email to see if they can respond as soon as possible, but I haven't gotten any response, guys. See, let me show you an email that I have sent them, guys. Let me just go to the sent emails. You see, support. I have sent them an email, more clarification on the Crowd1 company. I have sent them an email, but I wasn't able to receive a clear response. I have just received an empty email. Yeah, see, this email is a service from Crowd1 Network Europe Limited, but there is nothing in the email. It's an empty message. That's all I received after sending them an email. So which means there is no way you're going to communicate with them. You will just pay your money, and then you will just stay there without any hope or anything to follow up. Because they will just leave you with a duty to keep bringing people, your friends and family, into the scam. And at the end of the day, they're going to blame you, guys. They're going to be blaming you, saying that you're the one who pushed them to join this scam, so that they can be scammed. Here is another comment, guys. for someone who have joined this platform. He is saying, I just joined and paid an initial joining fee, but when I log into my Crowd1 account, it asked me to choose a package and make payment. I thought I paid for a package as well while I was paying to join. My question is, do I have to buy a package again? Which means after signing up here on the official website, they have just given him this option to choose a package, and then he've paid this 99 euro. After paying, they have recommended him to pay another package. You see, that's the reason why he's confused. See, he's confused. He thought he've already paid, but finally he came to realize that they want him to buy another package, right? And here is the response to this guy who have written this article, this review. He's saying, sorry, I'm not part of the support team, nor I'm not associated with the Crowd1 program in any way. So like this one, he don't really know what to do. He paid the money, but he don't have anyone to talk to, because this guy have only reviewed this program, but he's not the owner, he's not the part of the support team. So this is what is going to happen to you if you decide to buy this platform. If you've already bought this platform, I'm really sorry, but if you haven't paid the money, if you haven't bought the membership, I wouldn't recommend you to just join this program, guys. It's a scam. And here is another review. Someone made a review as well. Let me show you some of the comments. People are just complaining. He's asking, is Crowd1 a scam or what? And then the writer have responded, it's safe to say it is. I wouldn't waste my time with it. See? And then he's responding here, no, it's a good company. I know the owner. He's actually Swedish. Then this one is responding, Lord, Swedish people can be bad. It's a Ponzi scam, and it will eventually collapse when recruiting stops. And he's absolutely right on this one, guys, because for now they are just recruiting. I have showed you how they are lying to people that they are investing the money into the gaming platforms, but there is no gaming platforms. It's just a fake website they have built to show to people, but they are not investing the money into anything, which means they are just recruiting. You see, the second thing, they have shifted the launch date. You know, since the beginning of this year, they have said they are going to do the pre-launch in August, so that people can just have the full right to their shares, so that they can sell their shares. But the pre-launch have been shifted from August to November. Why are they shifting the pre-launch? See, so after recruiting people, when the recruiting is over, they're just going to run away with people's money. That's what's going to happen, guys. So he's right on this one. So guys, I hope now you understand that this is not an opportunity at all. It's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. So I hope I've helped you to take an educated decision. Be sure to do enough research before you invest in this company. Don't take my word. You can continue to do some research, but I'm sure you will not get a clear information on how you're going to earn money from this company. And another thing, you won't get anyone who have been paid with this company apart from getting the money after bringing two people. You won't get anyone who have been able to withdraw the fund, the millions of money they just show you in numbers on the app. You will just see the money in the app, but no one have ever withdrawn the money, right? If it was true, you could have seen a lot of people showing the real-time withdrawal on the internet, because nowadays the internet makes things faster. So take an educated decision on whether you should join this company or not. But I think I have helped you to make things clear, to clarify everything. So thank you very much for watching to the end. If you haven't connected with me on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, be sure to connect with me. The username is Armstrong Wil. And if you haven't joined my YouTube family yet, be sure to join by clicking the subscribe button below and by clicking the bell notification, so that you'll be the first one to receive a notification whenever I come up with a brand new video. And be sure also to check the video description below for more information. And thank you very much for watching to the end. See you at self-development.